MCU65 and Me on Instagram. To celebrate the 65th anniversary of Mingchuan University, we are organizing an Instagram photo contest for Mingchuan people around the world called MCU65 and Me on Instagram, with the opportunity for those who post to win in the prize drawing.
From March 1st to March 19th, 2022, you can win an iPhone 13 or Samsung Galaxy S22 or other MCU gifts. All you have to do is upload photos to your Instagram account with the hashtag LoveMCU65. Don't forget to make these photos public. These pictures need to be taken at the 65th anniversary exhibition, activities, installation art, or any other MCU imagery. Get your phone, take pictures, and upload them to your Instagram for the event.
For more information, please visit MCU's anniversary website. The 65th anniversary of Mingchuan University will be celebrated on March 19th at the Taoyuan campus.